Hey there, welcome to Hardcore Sustainable. Last year I did a video about making a low tunnel, and I made it out of sort of scrap material, some pallet wood, and also extra plastic from my hoop house, and waste plastic, I guess, from the last time I replaced the plastic. But I didn't put any wheels on it last year, and so this spring I did that, and I also have been doing this experiment where I actually planted a crop underneath the low tunnel to see how it would work with season extension and also protecting against rabbits. So this is sort of the update video about that project. I put some wheels on it and we'll see how that goes. I don't necessarily need this sitting on the ground, I just need it to be useful when I lift the whole thing up, that it has enough of an angle to lift this part off the ground and then be able to roll on the wheel. I think I need to move the wheels back a little bit so that when I lift it up, it can clear the tops of the plants. Because it was a little bit too close to the peas and it kind of knocked them over. Okay, so I'm back in the vineyard and I've made a little bit of a modification to the wheels on this mobile low tunnel. And this was my original idea, and now I've implemented it because I was concerned about the clearance between here and there, not making it over the plants. I probably will put a bolt through here because right now I've just got a screw. To move it, you just pull the peg out, lift that up, put the peg back in there. It rests with the wheels a little bit higher. That down, put the peg in, and then we can pull it back. There, down. Store the peg there, store this peg in here. These are not lacy lady peas. I was hoping to plant lacy lady peas which have tendrils instead of leaves. I guess a tendril is technically a modified leaf, but this variety is clearly not a lacy lady, so I think I ended up planting just a regular shelling pea here. It might be a short variety, but it's not going to do very well untrellised, so this might be kind of like a loss here. Alright, so one last update on the low tunnel project here. The carrots are thriving. I had the low tunnel off of them for a little while and the rabbits did find them and started nibbling on them, so I moved the low tunnel back on them. I thought maybe it would be too hot under there for them at this time of year because the weather lately has been in the upper 80s Fahrenheit, and so I moved the low tunnel back on them to protect them from the rabbits, and they seem to be doing fine. They put on new leaves even, it was probably less than a week ago that I
move the low tunnel back over them. So they're doing well. I took out the peas because the peas weren't doing well. It was too much, I think there was too much moisture underneath the low tunnel. They were also not the Lacy Lady variety of peas that I thought they were, that are self-trellising. So they were just kind of sprawling all over the place and not doing well. So I took them out, and we'll continue the project with these carrots and see how they do. So it might be something good in the future to just plant an entire bed of carrots out here. I can always use more carrots. All right, well, thanks for sticking with us through this low tunnel project, and don't forget to subscribe and share the video with your friends. Give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you next time.